Hi everyone, this is Zach with CableWholesale.com. We recently mounted a TV on the wall in one of our offices here and thought it would be an awesome opportunity to show you how easy it is to get your TV off a piece of furniture and mount it to the wall. We carry three versions of TV wall mounts. Part 8212-02337BK is for mounting 23 to 37 inch TVs up to 77 pounds and features a 5-degree up and 15-degree down tilt angle. Part 8212-04270BK is for larger TVs from 36 to 63 inches. This also features the same tilt angle. We also carry an articulating wall mount, Part 8212-13260BK, for 37 to 70 inch TVs. All three mounts come with all the hardware you need to complete the install. You provide the tools, time, effort, and you will have that TV mounted in no time. Let's take a look at the TV wall mount for 37 to 70 inch TVs and see what comes in the box. This TV mount comes with two brackets. The brackets come equipped with a tilt knob so you can determine the direction you want your TV to face. It also comes with screws that are nice and labeled and all of the other parts that you'll need for putting this TV mount together. Everything is labeled so you can simply follow along with the instruction manual. It also comes with the main TV wall mount right here and 2 Allen wrenches. Now let's go over the tools you'll need for this installation. You will need a drill bit, a stud finder, a level, a Phillips screwdriver, a marking pin, and a second set of hands to help you hold up the TV. Now let's get started. First, you need to mount the brackets to the television. Going off the instruction manual, take the MA or MB screws you need to mount the brackets. We are using the MB screws here and MF, which are the braces for the screws. Now repeat on the other side and make sure you are mounting in the same holes. Make sure all the screws are tightly screwed on. We've already used a stud finder to mark a stud here and a stud here. Put a little mark to mark where you would drill the holes. Next step is to bring in the mount and make sure it is leveled and pre-drill our 4 holes. Now that we have our 4 holes marked, we can pre-drill. With the second set of hands, have one person bring in the mount and align the 4 corners with the holes, and have the other person make sure it is leveled. Again, make markings to indicate where the screws will go. Drill in the screws on each side of the mount where you made your markings. Now place the TV on the mount. Make sure the hooks on the brackets of the TV are attached to the mount. Screw in the 2 bottom screws on the brackets to the mount. Make sure the screw is way past the bottom of the brackets so that it's locked in place. Installing a TV mount doesn't have to be so difficult. Just be sure you choose the correct mount for your TV. If you have any questions, our tech support is here to help Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. Eastern to 5 p.m. Pacific by phone and live chat. Send us your questions or any suggestions for products or videos to our email, or visit us on social media, or leave a comment below. You can find all our products here at CableWholesale.com. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. See you next time.